Okay, this next booklet looks a little bit more at resistance, what affects resistance, and then looks at how voltages kind of act in a circuit in the same way that we did see how current acts in a circuit in our first booklet dealing with electricity. And then at the end of this booklet, we bring everything we have learned together. So it's quite an important booklet. So what we want to think about in this first section is what factors affect the resistance of a wire, i.e. what things could we change about a wire that might affect its resistance. So you can pause this and have a little think or discussion at your desk and see if you can get them. However, I'm just going to carry on now and put them in. So one of the things would be the length of the wire. Okay, so will a longer wire mean a larger or smaller resistance? Another thing might be the diameter, but we can't always assume it's going to be a circular cross-section wire. So we can kind of include everything if we just say cross-sectional area. By that we mean if you slice through the wire and measured the area of that cross-section, how would that affect it? Would a bigger area mean that it has a bigger resistance or a smaller resistance? The other thing we've got is the material that it's made from. So you should already know if we make something from wood or plastic, it's going to have very high resistance. If we make it from metal, it's going to be lower. But even well, different types of metals have different resistances. And the last thing we could change is the temperature. Okay, so what I want you to do is, this doesn't have to be right in your booklets or in your notes, but make a prediction. We're going to do experiments in the next section to look and see how those factors affect the resistance, but see if you can put in your own answer here and we'll see if you're right for when we do the experiments.